Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how to create Outlier AI account. So guys, go to Outlier AI, this website, and click login. As you can see here, when you want to create account, guys, just click this option, I don't have account, and click the first step. You can create account with Google Gmail. If you want to create account from scratch, just click sign up, wait, and click accept this term and agree on this term and acknowledge and privacy policy, as you can see here, and wait, read this one, as you can see here, accept and term condition, and sign up here in my case with Google account, and click your Gmail. After that, click continue, and you will directly this to and we don't support your country, guys. In my case, guys, this don't support my country, and if you support your country, you redirect it to your dashboard, guys. Thanks guys for watching. See you on another video soon.